Welcome to Parking Nationally. If you're new to this channel, we're Mike and Taylor with a goal to hit every national park in the U.S. So far, we've been in 32 national parks and counting. Today, we're exploring Joshua Tree National Park. Only problem is we only have one day to do it. If you're limited on time, then this itinerary is perfect for you.
Joshua Tree is located only 2 hours east of Los Angeles, known for its unique desert landscape, dramatic rock formations, and its iconic Joshua trees, which the park is named after.
These are our adventure buddies, Chrissy and Felipe. They live in California, so we flew out to meet them and hit national parks out west.
Chrissy is the best type A friend every girl needs. She keeps your head on straight and gives the best advice.
Felipe is always down for adventures, a good time, and one of the funniest guys you'll ever meet. These trips wouldn't be the same without them.
We started our morning early to catch sunrise at Cholla Cactus Garden. Coming here at sunrise gives the cacti a unique glow that is amazing to witness. There's a path that walks through the garden that you can take a nice morning walk on. Just be careful, these cacti are known for their sharp spines, so keep your distance and enjoy the view safely. They are definitely named jumping chollas for a reason.
Good morning. It is 5:40 and it is completely bright outside. We are at, I don't know how to say it, Cholla. Where the glowing cactuses at sunrise. It's like the perfect place to come view sunrise if you're a morning person. It is really pretty. The cactus almost like glow from the sunrise.
It's gonna be a good sunrise.
Oh, it's starting to get a little bit better over there. The mall is like 0.2 miles. Like, it's literally barely a walk, but it is really cool to just kind of sit and watch the sun come up.
I mean, it's definitely worth it waking up at 4:30.
For not being morning people, would recommend.
Yeah,
The cactuses like glow.
just
And
look at that view. I don't know if it's gonna do it justice, but
right when you get here and the sun's just barely coming up, all the cactuses put off like this glow. And it's just like hard to even describe how pretty it is.
Next up, we're heading to Arch Rock. This natural arch is perfect for a quick hike and some fantastic photo ops. It gives a cool view of the desert as the arch frames it.
all right. Well, it's hot out here right now. Sweating my off right now. This trail's really cool, I guess, but it is very easy to get lost. It is not well marked. We took a lot of left turns, and where are we?
climbed a lot of rocks and now we can't find the sign, so we're on a mission now.
I'm about to start screaming for help. There's no getting out of this one. We're done for. It's still hot outside. That sun is sunning. It is, I don't know, 20 degrees cooler in the rocks. Yeah, it feels a lot better in the shade.
Make sure you bring lots of water.
Plenty of water. Parched. Yeah, it feels a lot better in the shade. Do not recommend going later in the day or in the middle of July like we are.
There's like literally 3 cars in the parking lot. Like we're big idiots.
But cool place.
From there, we'll make our way to Heart Rock, which is connected to the same trail as the Arch. The name speaks for itself. It's basically a big rock shaped like a heart.
Okay, so what did we do?
We went to Arch Rock, we finally found it, and then we just found Heart Rock.
Looks like a butt
Crack
giant
right
butt.
there.
And judging by the sun, it is about 9:30.
And it is time to go hydrate and get
About
indoors.
95 degrees outside, middle of July.
Would recommend starting these hikes very early. We were supposed to get up and leave around 6:30. We didn't end up leaving until 7:30. And honestly regretting it a little bit, so be smarter than us.
Yeah.
Don't break me. I'm living for the highlights, living for my dream. So baby, stay with me.
Overall thoughts on the hike? Or I don't know if you call it a hike, the brisk walk. The brisk walk to Heart Rock and the Arch. Wasn't bad. I mean,
Very hot. The rocks are kind of like a lot of gravel slick, so gotta be kind of careful. What else?
I don't know, just a bunch of rocks, but we definitely got lost. We went 1.5 miles of walking when really it's only supposed to be like half a mile maybe.
My watch already says 2 miles, and we're not even done.
She has little baby steps though, so it counts more. But yeah, wasn't bad. I mean, definitely go early before it gets too hot. Bring plenty of water.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen, that's
Maybe
a good
even a
one.
hat if you're smart.
Yeah, maybe a cooling towel as well. That's something we should have brought. But yeah, wasn't bad. It's pretty cool. What do you think? Rate it on the...
I knew you were about to ask me. I don't know. We've done some pretty cool hikes in our life.
I'd give it a 4.
I was just about to say 4.
Of course you would. She copies me on everything.
I think 4 is a good. I want to be like you so bad. 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10. Yeah. All right, on to the next one.
Now we're off to Skull Rock, one of Joshua Tree's most iconic landmarks. Its skull-like appearance makes it a fun spot to explore and snap some cool photos. There is a trail connected to Skull Rock, but we could see it from the road, so we decided to take the easy way out.
When we touch, I forget how we end in the rush. Nothing fake, but pretend it's a push. You and I, you and I. I thought about it when you asked me, where would I go? Like if there was just one place I could choose, where would I go?
looks like a giant skull. What do you want to name this rock? My God, that's genius.
This next part is optional because it requires leaving the park for a bit and exploring some things outside the park.
After a morning full of exploring, it's time for lunch. We're stopping by a local restaurant called Kitchen in the Desert. This place has an awesome environment with even better food. 1010 would recommend this place while visiting and get the cucumber cilantro lemonade while there. As they called it, nature's Gatorade.
On our way back to the Airbnb, we stumbled across a crazy looking end of the world sign. It's honestly a little eerie landmark, but a really cool pit stop to see up close and personal. It was created in 2022 by an artist named Jack Pearson. The sand driving there is deep, so be careful not to get stuck in it. A 4x4 vehicle is recommended. You can also just park on the side of the road and make a short walk to it.
Considering it was 115 degrees, we decided to stay inside our Airbnb to relax and stay safe. This place was perfect to just relax in a hammock and soak in the views. Joshua Tree luckily wasn't that busy when we went because it was so hot, but definitely book one in advance if you're going in the peak season.
After a well-deserved nap, we headed back to the park to watch sunset while taking our time taking the scenic drive through Joshua Tree. Even though the unique Joshua trees are scattered throughout the park, there's a bigger concentration of the trees in the northwest part of the park along Keys View Road. So we recommend driving through to see an abundance of them together.
So we're headed to watch sunset at Key Views. Are y'all excited? Can you? Felipe, tell us what you think.
What's up, guys?
Hello.
You're on camera.
As the sun begins to set, we made our way to Keys View. This lookout point offers incredible panoramic views of the park and is a popular place to watch sunset. Just be careful when you're here because there are a ton of bees.
I mean, where are we at? Key View? Key View?
Yeah.
Key View?
The bees are absolutely insane. Just got stung on my
Yeah, they
toe.
just got stung.
So we just pulled over to watch sunset at Key Views. Crazy. Tons
Yeah,
of bees.
Definitely worth it.
definitely worth it. Gorgeous, but the bees are fine unless you like swat at them, so just leave them alone.
She
But
got stung.
I did get stung. Just they like my toenail color. But really cool place to watch sunset if you're interested in doing that. The moon is like really gorgeous right now. I don't know if you can actually see it.
Pretty crowded too.
Yeah, this is definitely like where people come to like touristy, very touristy.
Finally, as it got dark, we ended our day with some stargazing. Joshua Tree's clear, dark skies and no light pollution is perfect for watching the stars. We picked out a nice rock and put a blanket on it and listened to nature while enjoying the moonlit sky.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible day in Joshua Tree National Park. From cactus gardens to stunning sunsets and stargazing, we hope you enjoyed the journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to follow along with our national park adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.